Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to DeFi Degens Drip for Poverty, where our mission is to empower the powerless and create financial freedom through crypto assets. If you like that mission and you resonate with it, please hit the like and subscribe button and join our team as we make a bold claim to donate at least one claim per month to the Cambodian Children's Fund. I'm waiting until we build a team of at least 25 team members underneath this account, or 250 subscribers. That's why I started with my own 5-team member wallet to try to speed this up. But anyway, I'm bringing you this short video real quick because been listening to the community and watching other videos and in Telegram channels, and everybody's shouting at the rooftops that drip is down. And I saw some messages, so it's like, okay, I need to check this out and see what the hell's going on, because obviously I'm just new to this, and if I'm hearing about price action being in the red, I want to know about it. So I came over to Dex Screener and took a look at the price token, and it is indeed down a couple bucks from yesterday. It was consolidating around this $130 range since 3rd of Feb, and then we broke below 130 literally like last night, and we're at 123. So it's down $7. But there's no reason to scream FUD or be afraid or panic sell or anything like that. As they say, when in doubt, zoom out. And if you zoom out, you'll see that one, all the way out, we have nothing but positive price action from its inception at around 30 some odd dollars, $18. Sorry, $30. Yep. And it has done extremely well all the way up until now, like still performing really well. And this is what to be expected. So the ups and downs is what makes any kind of asset have positive use case, because it has to have some corrections in the price, because it cannot go on indefinitely forever in a positive upward momentum. So this is a healthy correction. The consolidation, everything is perfectly fine. But the main thing you should look at is that if you were holding another token, for example, let's just say you were in good old Bitcoin and you were holding that, you don't get any dividends. So like when you buy Bitcoin at whatever price, you don't make any money until you sell it above that price. So February 13th is when this drops. So let's just say we had got in January, like the other one for drip. Let's say you got in here at the peak of February 11th. Well, all the way from the 11th till now, you're in the red. So you haven't made any freaking money on Bitcoin at all. However, if you are using drip, you're actually making money on the token appreciation as well as the compounding effect. So we can look at this again. I'm going to show you some math real quick. So let's just say you came in here January, what was the top? January 26th at 168 bucks. All right. So if you bought at January 26th at $168, let's just put that into our handy dandy calculator. I already did that to show you. So I rounded up to 170 January 26th, and all the way up until now being the 14th. So we'll just go to tomorrow. You would have 1.20 drip, right? Well, let's look at our calculator. We put in 168, but we now have 1.2, and it's worth $123. You've only theoretically lost $21, even though on paper, you would have lost 168 from 123, which is $45. So just because of the 1% compounding, you've actually mitigated your losses. And if this goes down to say 100 by the end of the month, well, let's just see if it finds the floor at $100, because that's possibly where this would be. Let's see, the floor I think is 100 is a psychological range for a lot of people, especially in investing, but let's just say $100. And if we're to continue on that trip, it'd be somewhere around the middle of March that it find that floor at $100. Well, you'd have a 1.5 drip at $100. So you still have $175. So 1.574 times 100, 157, sorry, $157. So you'd only be down, again, $11 from your top if it were to continue dropping from January. And that's less than 2 months later. So again, if you're looking at Bitcoin, it has been down way longer than that. So, and you're not making any gains on Bitcoin or even ETH for that matter. If you're holding that asset, most people, when they get into crypto, they only know one or two things, and that's hold or try to trade. But with the introduction of DeFi, you have been given the option of kind of staking and getting yield on your investment. So you're holding, but you get to hold and actually make money on it. So on trading, you have to actually understand technical analysis and be able to, time the tops and bottoms. So if you had gotten in on ETH around the same time, January 26, that one you'd actually be up on. January 26 would have been $2,500, and now it would be 28. So, but you would have made a couple bucks on that. So that one actually worked out in your favor. But you get the point, guys. So the point is, when in doubt, zoom out and remember that this is a long-term play and that you don't have to do anything else with it besides compound it. And you can also look at how it's performing as an entity on DApp Radar. So when you come to DApp Radar, you can look at all of the dApps, decentralized apps on the Binance Smart Chain, and then it ranks them by performance. So it is currently at number 3. So it's been in the top 5 for quite a while. It has a market cap of only $9.4 million. And again, like 70,000 users. So this is only showing 29,000. But if they continue onboarding users at this exponential rate, this is going to grow, which means all this FUD about the token is not going to be anything to be worried about, because with new users coming on, you can guarantee that the price action will increase. And as always, Forex, he's been in trading, he's been in crypto, he's been in the traditional trading markets. So he understands market sentiment and price action. And I can guarantee if this starts to find a new low, he'll probably get on an AMA or announce that partnership that he's holding in the back of his pocket, or announce some other use case. If you're looking at this on the drip, this hasn't been initiated yet. The beneficiary and the manager, he talked about this on early AMAs about having someone be able to manage the account. This is really huge, having a beneficiary. Right now, not your keys, not your crypto. You die, nobody gets your money. It's just lost forever. But you could assign a beneficiary. He talked about this. He hasn't spoken about it again since. So he's probably holding on to a lot of valuable alpha to time it so that the price action continues to increase, and that people still remain bullish on the project and don't just start fudding it and creating some negative price action. So I have a feeling it's going to find the floor somewhere around the 120s, at the lowest 100. And if it doesn't look like it'll be finding it by the 100, I bet you can find an AMA or some announcement via Telegram from Forex about some use cases, about the partnership, whatever the case may be. And again, I already told you, I'm saying it in every video, it's going to be an announcement about MetaHero. I'm calling it. I'm the smallest channel on Drip, but I'm letting you guys know I called it here first so that you'll know where to get the inside scoops, because this is what I do literally all day, is listen to other information and take notes and stuff. So anyway, if you find this valuable, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And of course, please join our team once you have decided to get into this project and be a part of the solution. DeFi, degens, Drip for poverty, empowering the powerless through finding financial freedom in crypto assets. All right, guys. Thanks. See you next time. Lift daily and achieve your impossible.